Hello, Hannah here with Maya. Today we're talking about following up with your matches, which is vital to the success of your Maya system. Every time someone takes your survey, you will receive an email with all of their information, their contact info, who they were matched with, their availability, preferences, if they included hair photos, all of that will be sent to you. So here are the steps you should follow when you receive a new match email. Check if the client has been into the salon before. If so, this is a great opportunity to get them back in. Check if the client has already booked. If so, go the extra mile and just tell them you're excited to see them. And if they're new and have not booked yet, offer them a reservation with one of their matches. We have examples of all of these follow-up scenarios in your success guide, so make sure you have that downloaded and that it's shared with your guest services team. We can even set up a training with your guest services team to talk about best practices, following up, and more. If you'd like to schedule that, email at info@joinmaya.com. I will see you soon. Bye.